फकीर आदमी है, झोला लेके चल।
But have you seen a beggar anywhere in the world who wears sunglasses worth 1,40,000 and goes around in 120 million Mercedes? He went on foreign tour on what he received as charity and bought a digital camera before the digital camera was released. And Narendra Modi claims to be from an extremely poor family.
मित्रों, मैं बचपन में रेल के डिब्बे में चाय बेचता था।
वाह क्या फकीरी।
भगवान है हमारे, हम उनकी पूजा करते हैं।
Friends, the truth is that they have started controlling Hindu religion to push their hateful agenda. Hello friends, journalist Anil Yadav was talking to BJP worker Mangal Vajpayee in Kanpur. Mangal works as a loader. He loads goods on vehicles.
योगी साहब, मेरा मंगल वाजपेयी है। यहाँ लोडर का काम करवाते हैं।
Additionally, he volunteers for BJP Mahesh Trivedi. He was expressing his belief that this time BJP will win that 400 seats. As interview goes on, Mangal talked about his difficulties in his life. He says that he lived without electricity and there are no sewer system.
मैंने महेश त्रिवेदी से भी कई बार कहा कि 20 फुट पाइप पड़ना है, तो अगर पड़ जाए तो हमारे घर की सीवर व्यवस्था बन जाए। नहीं बन।
He is no complaint that how people get so blind about a politician. And he is not the only one. This was possible due to emotional manipulation and brainwashing. On a large scale, people of this country have been brainwashed. And the mafia that is brainwashing people. Now it's time to expose the four departments. The first department fill people with pride and arrogance. You are great because you are a Hindu. The second department tells you about victimization, that your ancestors were victims for thousands of years. The third department fills you with fear that you are in danger. And fourth department shows Narendra Modi as the Messiah. Only Narendra Modi can save you. Now it's time to expose the fourth department, Narendra Modi's cult of personality. How despite his many failures, people are emotionally manipulated into believe him to be God. Come let's explore this in today's video.
बीजेपी के टिकट पर तो कुत्ता भी खड़ा हो जाए हम जिता
ये सच है। अगर कुत्ता भी आएगा उसको भी जिताएंगे।
ये तो फिर अंधविश्वास
नहीं, भक्त हैं, अंधविश्वास नहीं है, हम भक्त हैं।
नहीं, महंगाई मेरे हिसाब से कोई ज्यादा नहीं हुई। अब मैं 10 साल से बनियान नहीं पहन रहा, देखो आप।
वो भगवान है हमारे, हम उनकी पूजा करते हैं।
Friends, in June 2013, writer Nilanjan Mukhopadhyay wrote a book on Narendra Modi. This was a biography. In his book, he wrote about how when Narendra Modi was 6 years old, he sold tea at Vadnagar railway station in Gujarat. Since then, this story about selling tea has been a major talking point in Narendra Modi's struggle. In 2015, when the Time magazine interviewed PM Modi, he told them how he came from a poor family, how he had to sell tea at a railway station in his childhood. His exact lines were, "I was born into a very poor family. As a child, my childhood was steeped in poverty. For me, poverty was in a way the
मित्रों, मैं
first
बचपन में
inspiration
रेल
in my
के डिब्बे
life."
में चाय बेचता था।